Good morning.
Good morning. This is Big Newton and Redhead. And Fig, you just drove in. I almost left you hanging.
She let me hang right off. How are we going to have any fun that way?
And where was that you drove in from this morning?
That's Rowan County.
Rowan County. That's in North Carolina. And now we're in Burlington, North Carolina.
Yeah, which is not really, well, it's pretty big. It's got a lot of sports stuff.
It has a sports store.
Yeah, and it's got a football team that plays for Elon.
Well, that's actually an Elon, but Fig doesn't know any better, so that's okay. We're sitting here at one of our favorite places to drink some coffee.
It's one of her favorite places.
Okay, it's one of mine.
It's one of my favorite places to buy her coffee.
It's home of the Starbucks decaf coffee and pink cake pops, which are some of my faves.
Well, I got a big coffee, and I got the kick in it too. Yeah,
You got the kick in it?
Yeah, you got something on yours?
Yeah, I know, that's the red lipstick, because redheads can rock the red lipstick.
Well, I didn't put my lipstick on today. I thought
about it. So tell me, how was your drive in from Rowan County?
Oh, it was good. I still don't understand why you got the big stickers on the road that say 85. I know I'm on 85. I don't need something that I'm looking down instead of looking forward at the traffic about.
Just so you know, those aren't stickers on the road, that's paint. People paint the road so that we know where we're going. We did have a little conversation about what was appropriate and inappropriate when you're on the air. So, you know, from time to time you might see me have to rein Fig in because you never know what a Fig Newton's going to say.
Yeah, well, all I can say to that is I guarantee you when those guys was painting that stuff on that road, there was one guy working and 6 watching him. And that's just the way they roll. Ain't that your line?
That's how we roll. Yes, sir. Now, for those of you that don't know, Fig Newton and I met in comedy school in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Comedy Zone. And Fig, can you tell us what brought you to comedy school? What made you say, yeah, this is something I want to do?
Well, I've been talking about it since I was 18. I've always wanted to do it, but just never had a chance. And then I seen that they had the school, and I really thought it was a school, but it wasn't a school.
It's not really a school because there's not really a classroom, but there is a class taught there. I mean, for 7 weeks, I went to class. I don't know what happened to you. You might have been sleeping through class, but I just know I drove from Burlington to Charlotte, got there at 7 o'clock p.m., didn't get back home till 12 midnight for a series of Mondays.
Well, it sounds like to me what you learned to do was drive.
I did drive. And it was funny because almost every Monday it was like pouring rain, like buckets of rain, like pull off the road kind of rain from Burlington to Charlotte. And I thought, what the heck is this? But it was in the springtime, and that's kind of how we roll around here in North Carolina.
Security then, and we had to go outside. So I got to walk around in the rain for a little bit before I came to the meeting. So maybe I was wet, cold, and sleepy.
Maybe you were. You know, I'd already driven that far. It wasn't like I was going to be tired. I mean, you know, I'd worked 8 hours a day, and then I was hitting the road for like an hour and a half. I'm just saying. If anybody was going to be sleepy, it was probably going to be me.
Maybe, you know, with all this stuff that you're going around about, I think you're trying to tell me something.
That's beside the point. We won't go into that. Anyway, it's a great place to go and learn about it in comedy.